Hey guys, what's up? I've just found out this thing. This is quite funny. Watch. For backwards. Where was it? Oh, it's up there. I can't get it. Oh, we're gone. It's on the floor. Try again. You should try it. It's quite fun. Oh, it did. Just on my door. Try and get it on my. Oh. Wait. From here. It doesn't work anymore. It doesn't work. Damn it. Throw it entirely from here. Not sure. Can I have some Pepsi?
I mean, some other time. Sure.
I have some fruit.
How about your phone number? Alright, man, I'm sure you take a lot of pictures of yourself because you're very pretty. I'm not gonna have your Instagram.
My nose is still bleeding from before, remember? If you haven't watched the video, too bad. I was bleeding.
Hello?
Drop the like and do it quick.
How's it going out here?
Just lying on the
How
bed.
are you? You already got here? Alright. Okay, cool. I'll see you in a minute.
I don't know what day. I just wanted to show you that because it's kind of funny. You should try it yourself. Basically, you just get some toilet roll, paper towel, and you just want to fold it up into a perfectly square. Or you can't do it in like you can't do it wrapped. It doesn't work. So you have to do like a square, rectangle, hexagon, whatever shape. What do you think it would work? And you just throw it at the wall. You don't put too much on because it will rip off. And you just want to throw it at a wall, ceiling, or you won't be able to get it off. A wall might mark your wall. You have to dry it. Add doors. That's funny. It just has a loud noise. So I just want you to show that, and peace.